Family, welcome back. It's Makisha Stiles, aka Kish here, and today's video is going to be on what are the pros and cons of Forex trading. This is a definitely video you want to watch, especially if you're new to Forex trading. You want to know the pros and the cons of it. I'm going to always give you the ups and the downs of it because it's always great for beginners to know. This is something I wish I would have known when I first got started. So let's get started here. So what are the pros of Forex trading? Which know when everything has a pro, it has a con as well. So for one, the pro is that it's one of the largest financial markets in the world, which means there is a opportunity daily and constantly for you to profit in this. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, and income claims, I do not guarantee anything, but just know this is one of the largest financial markets in the world. It's high liquidity. That means there's opportunities at all time for you to enter, and it's Forex trading, which means it's currencies, right? So with currencies, it's always moving, so it's high liquidity. And then also there's a low entry cost. You heard me speak about this on a previous video. It means that you can invest with as little as $10. It's going to take a minute for you to build, but it's always a low entry cost, allowing for anyone to actually enter into the market. Then the trading times. The fact that it's 24/7, especially if you're trading crypto on the Forex market, is a plus. Because if you work from 9 to 5, when you get off, if you're in the stock market, you got to wait the next day to trade. But here in the Forex market, because it's 24/7, including cryptocurrency, you're now able to get into a trade at 6 p.m. Eastern, 7, 8, midnight, right? Because it's 24/7 dealing with money. So that's definitely a pro. It's that large financial market in the world, high liquidity, low entry costs, and the trading times. Now, what are the cons? Now, I got to give you both. Is that it's high volatility. What does that mean? That this is currency. I spoke of this on a previous slide. So when it's constantly going up, down, so it's kind of unpredictable. Right, so that's one of the cons. Another thing is that the leverage risk. So remember, I said that anybody can enter into the market, even if you're doing with $10. But some people, if you're not practicing risk management, you get caught up in trying to enter multiple trades, and then it doesn't really stop you from doing it. So you have a leverage risk. So it allows you to trade large amounts of currency that now increases your risk and increases your chance of blowing your account. But as long as you have the proper skill set, right? The proper mindset and a proper mentorship, you don't have to worry about this part, right? So you have your pros, high liquidity, everything's great. Then you have your cons, because remember, anybody enters to the market and currencies are always moving, but you can always manage the cons by proper risk management, proper training. So what are your next steps? I love to give you your next steps. Your first thing, you want to go ahead and test it out. Go ahead. How do you test it out? Open up a demo account and start testing out Forex trading for yourself. Because I gave you the pros and cons. So let's test it out and see, hey, is it for you? You want to go ahead and research different educational companies. Because I remember I was mentioning that in previous videos that you don't want to do this by yourself. So when you have the proper educational company, you kind of don't have to worry about the cons as much because they've done all the research for you. They're providing you with the proper steps that you need. So go ahead and go out there and start researching educational companies. And then last, if you want to know my recommended one, you hear it in a lot of my videos, you go ahead and contact me for more information, and I will definitely get on the line with you and help you determine what's the best route for you, whether it's Forex or whether it might be HFX, might be binary trading. But you can always contact me. My information is in the description of this video. And I hope this video has been very, very valuable for you. So remember the pros. You can do very well here, okay? It's currencies. You have the cons. You can do very well in here, so that makes most people over leverage and lose their money. But then also too, you can make sure that you're testing out everything and you just have some type of guidance. Okay, don't jump into this by yourself. You don't have to be by yourself. Have some type of guidance by getting involved in some type of educational company. Okay, so that is all for today. It's been Makisha Stiles here, and I have been your host for today. I hope you have found this valuable, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all within our academy. And for others, I'm looking forward to seeing you on the next training.